In this video, we'll discuss how to improve the bubble sort algorithm that we have just created and how to address one of its disadvantages, which is the inefficiency. The inefficiency of the bubble sort algorithm comes from the fact that if you supply a sorted array or list of numbers, it will still make all the passes specified by this piece of code. So let's try that here. So it passes 4 times. But assume, for example, that we take this already sorted list and make this into our new array. Notice that it will still make those 4 passes even though it's already sorted. So to fix this inefficiency, we only need 4 lines of code. Please let me know if it's possible for you to actually fix this code in less than 4 lines of code. So to do that, we need to declare here a variable, which is a swapping indicator, which tells us if a swapping has occurred in this current pass. So that would be the swap. It's going to be just an indicator, a true or false variable. And after this one, where a swapping has occurred, then this will become true because the value on the left is actually larger than the value on the right. So after this one, we put in this portion where we've done one whole pass a condition that if the value of swap is true, then this would not run, meaning that it would bypass this piece of code and continue with the loop. However, if the value of swap is false, meaning that no swapping has occurred in this pass, then this code will run. And therefore here we input our break command. Now, actually, we can modify this to improve our readability or the readability of the code, or to see it better in action. We just put here already sorted, terminating early. And let's see that in action. So in this case, we'll supply the sorted list. And as you could see, it already terminated early. But let's still test this code if, for example, we just give it one incorrect placing, which is this one. It should terminate early after fixing or swapping the places of this one, which is just one pass. So you can try it, and there you have it. This is how you make the bubble sort algorithm more efficient.